Hello, welcome. Continuation of our series of tutorial on plane geometry 1. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Here we will be taking how we can find the equation of a line. In the just ended episode, we deal with how we can be able to generate the equation of a straight line given three cases. The first case is when they are given 2 points on a line. And in this episode, we are picking the first case. So equation of a straight line from 2 points. From 2 points on the given line. How do we do that? So given the point A and B, the x1, x2 just represent the various points that you may be given. The equation of the line which is passing through the set point A and B can be determined by the following steps. So the first step we are going to do is to find the gradient of the line AB. Remember the formula we use to find the gradient of a line. Change on the y-axis over the change on the x-axis. Then after you derive the gradient, then you substitute the value of the gradient and either the point A, you use the point A, or the point B. You substitute this into the point slope form. Remember the various type of equations that we mentioned. We have the standard form, the point intercept form or slope form. Then we have the intercept form itself, which is in this very form. All right. So we are going to put that into either this or this. If you are using this, it means you are using the first point. If you are going to use it, it means you prefer to use the second point. Either way, you arrive at the same answer. Then, after you substitute this for any value, this for the gradient, this for any value, both x and y will remain in the equation because they are the coordinates in the plane. After doing that, you will simplify the above equation to obtain the equation of the line in either the general form or in the intercept form, the slope intercept form. So you can leave it in this form or in this form. All right. So these are the three steps that we are going to follow in order to find the equation of a straight line when 2 points on the lines are given. Let's take an example to see how we are going to follow these three steps to arrive at the equation of the straight line. So we have to find the equation of the line passing through the point A, 1, 5, B, negative 3, 8. So remember the steps. The first step we are going to follow, we need to find the gradient of the line. So the gradient of AB, the line AB, which we know will be M. So let's use M equals to y2 minus y1. Then we have x2 minus what? X1. How do we check which one is the x1? The first point. So this is our x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 first, meaning 8 minus y1. What is the y1? 5. x2, where is the x2? We have x2 as minus 3 minus x1, which is 1. In the case of this, I'll be having 5 from 8 will give us positive 3. Then minus 3 minus 1 will give you minus 4. So the gradient is going to be minus 3 on 4. That's the first thing we have to do. The second thing is to use the point. So using m equals to minus 3 on 4 and the point A, let's use 1 and 5. Remember, we can use any of the points. We are going to substitute this into the point slope form, which means using this and this. So we are going to substitute into the very equation we are having. Don't forget, this is the x1, y1. So x1, y1. This is the gradient. So this become y minus y1 going to be 5. Gradient minus 3 on 4. X minus x1 going to also be 1. So that's the second step. Substitute into this very equation. After that, you simplify. We are going to simplify. We can see that there is a fraction. So you multiply both sides of the equation by that denominator. So 4 will multiply here to give us 4y. 4 times 5 will be 20 equals to 4 will multiply here to give us only 3, then x minus 1. What is next to do? We have to expand the bracket. So I'll be having y, that's 4y minus 20, negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 1, positive 3. Alright, now we can either write it in the general form or in the slope-intercept form, but I'll be using the general form. So I'm going to transpose all this to the right, to the left, meaning this is coming to the left to become positive 3x, then this will become plus 4y, our negative 20, the 3 is also coming in here as negative 3. What is left there? 0. We can see x and y, we can't do anything about it, but we can compute this constant to have 3x plus 4y, negative 20 minus 3 will be negative 23 equals to 0. So this becomes the equation of the straight line that is passing through A and B with the point to be 1, 5, negative 3, and 8. Alright, there is other way that we can get it, as is by introducing another point on the line, which will be having x, y. So the gradient of the first 2 points is equals to the gradient of the second 2 points. When you finish, you will still arrive on this. Alright, I think we will try that in the subsequent episode. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.